Hi, everybody. This is Joey Heier, Crystal Clear Recording Studio and Video Production in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm sitting here in my studio with a great guy by the name of Kevin, and I'm going to introduce you to Kevin. We're going through Pro Tools. We're going through the important things that everyone needs to know about navigation. And we try in each and every lesson here at the Recording Connection to make students get a beneficial understanding of real definitions that can help them when they go out into the workplace. I'm going to hand the phone over to Kevin.
Hey, how's it going? I'm here with Joey Heier in his Crystal Clear recording studio. And as he mentioned, we're going over Pro Tools. We're doing our intro lesson to Pro Tools and really getting like a basic understanding to how everything works. Every lesson here at Joey's studio is a lot of fun with a lot of one-on-one individual attention and focus. And Joey makes every lesson real. It's not your regular college education. It's real. It's what's going to actually help you when you get out into the real world. And I'm more than happy being here than in any college anywhere.
Thank you very much, Kevin.